You want to know how to start a YouTube channel on your mobile or on your phone? Sit still, sit here and learn new things today. But before we dive straight into it, I want to inform you that before we go any further, if you want to know and learn more about YouTube channels and about how to start a YouTube and about how to promote your YouTube channels and YouTube videos, make sure that you subscribe there at the bottom, touch the bell button also to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I upload to YouTube just for your education. But now, before we dive into it, I want you to know that I'm here to show you. This video is basically to show you how to start a YouTube channel on your phone, from your phone. Are you owning a mobile? Are you owning a cell phone? So let's jump straight into it. We've got also videos about how to start a YouTube channel from a desktop. If you have a computer, from your desktop, your laptop, or anything, because these two are different gadgets. So now we're going to jump straight into starting a YouTube channel from your phone. So now what you do is you get your phone. You need, first of all, you need to have Google Chrome. Remember, YouTube is a product of Google. So now you need to have Google Chrome. So now jump straight onto your phone. Jump straight onto your phone. This is my Android phone here. Just straight onto your phone and go to Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, go to Play Store. Play Store, if you're running Android, go to Play Store and make sure that you download it from Play Store. But now I've got Google Chrome here, so let's just go to Google Chrome. And then when you get to Google Chrome will show you say for instance, after you download Google Chrome, it will show you. Let me first show you what it will show you. Let me first pull out the keyboard. Okay, so right here, if you type in Google, you'll realize that here on the icon here is blank. So if you don't have a YouTube a Gmail account, if you don't have a Gmail account, your icon here on the corner, it's gonna be empty, it's gonna be blank, because this is where your Gmail profile picture should go. So now if it shows this, just click on it, click on that icon there on the corner. It will take you to this page where it asks you to sign in or use another account. Say use another account, and it will take you here where it will tell you, simply because you don't have a Gmail account, so now it will take you to this window where it will ask you to create an account. Say create an account, because now you need an account. It will ask you whether you want an account for yourself or you want an account for business. Just say for yourself, and then it will take you to the next window where you need to fill in your details here. So now let's fill in your first name. Let's call the first name Emo, and then the last name, let's call it Mula. I'm sure when you hear Mula, it's like you think of money. Eh? So then down here, it's gonna give you an option. I just want to pull out this keyboard, but it does. It's gonna give you an option telling you that this is what. It's gonna tell you that this here is the option that we have. So it's fine, you can go for that, because these are the available options here. You can either choose any of these three, whichever that you feel like suits your needs. So then now scroll down, it will ask you for your password. Then type in your password. My password, I love using this password here. You can put in anything, it doesn't have to be anything. You just create any password of your choice, then it's going to ask you to confirm your password. Then confirm the password again. 4, 5. Then confirm your password and then move on to next. Those passwords have to match. So then you move on to the next. It's going to open this window where you need to put in your phone number. So put in your phone number as an option, or will you use a phone number account securely? It won't be visible to anybody. So put in your phone number. My phone number is 07878525546, and then go ahead. If you want to put in a recovery email address, you can fill it in, and then go ahead and put in your birth, your whatever. Okay, you can put in anything. It doesn't have to be your birth certificate, your whatever. You can dump in anything there, and then you go, and then ask you for the gender, male. If you're female, put in female, and then go to next. So it will take you to the page. It will walk you through the steps. Now here, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. Verify your phone number. So it will say, when you say send, it will send you a code to your phone number. Then you fill in that code, and then you're ready to go. So now it's going to fill in the phone number here. It's going to fill in the Gmail. Usually, if you've punched in the same phone number, the same SIM card that is in the that is in the that is inside of your phone, it usually will give you that code. Let's first go and check out. Let's go and check out if we received any message here. Just go and check on your messages. Then yeah, we received a message. Let's have a look. It's 660414. So then we go back there, and then we fill it in. 660414 0414, and then you're ready to go. So there we go, we're in. It says there, I'm in. Say I'm in, and then you're ready to go. Now we're on our way to open a YouTube channel. Then you start crashing it online. So now let's have a look. Let's say I agree. Those are the terms of and the conditions of Gmail, of Google. So you read the terms and condition. There we are in. You see now the icon in the corner that was empty. Now it's got your alphabet, your whatever, your alphabet. It shows your alphabet until you fill in your profile picture there. It will keep showing then the first letter of your name. So click on that number. Click on that icon. Click on the icon, and then you will see your email account here. Let's write it down. Let's take it down. What's the email address? Make sure that you write down all these details because you need them in future. If you're going to log in anywhere, don't make sure that you take down this information. Let's see. This is email 547248 at Gmail, right? At Gmail 045. So there we go. There we have it. So then after you're done with that, then just close up this. Oh no, you don't need to close up. Go to the search bar on top. Now we're going for now we're done with the Gmail account, because in order to get a YouTube account you need a Gmail account. Now we're done with a Gmail account. Now go in there and type in Y, which is for YouTube, and it will show you YouTube. Click on the YouTube. Now we go straight to YouTube here. Take you to the site. Click on the site. Click on there, and it will take you into YouTube. Now what we need to do here, because I'm logged in here, so I'll just say switch account, so we can go to the other account that we opened and see exactly how to go. I don't know why it doesn't want to show me. But anyway, so now when you get, say for instance, let's just assume your eye is the one that showed up here, your icon, the one from the Gmail that we started, because now I'm signed in. I cannot log out and log into my the other account that we just opened. So now let's assume that your icon with the eye of the Gmail that we just opened lately, it's the one here on the corner instead of my face. So just go there onto the corner there and say YouTube channel. Say, you see, it will bring you to this page showing your eye here, and it will show you this page. If you say your channel, it will take you to where it will take you to. Let me just check something here. Yeah, I thought the other page would show, but it doesn't show. So it will take you to a page where it asks you, do you want to open its YouTube account? Then say yes. If that's a long story for you, go to any video here on YouTube that you're seeing, and then click on it. Click on it. This is our president here, President Ramaphosa in South Africa, trying to give a speech. So go to any video that you see on YouTube,
coronavirus levels,
and then
currently at level 5,
and then click on it. Click and then go to like. So if you go down here on like here, if you do not have a YouTube channel, it will not allow you to like. So just go there and click on like. As soon as you click on like or subscribe, either of the two, it will give you a message saying you do not have a YouTube channel to like, to qualify to like or subscribe. So what you do is say, it will ask you, do you want to create a YouTube channel? Say yes, and then it will automatically, takes a few seconds, automatically take you to the page where it shows you your YouTube channel. Let's go back here. Let's go back. Let me show you one thing. It will take you to this page here. It will take you to the main page. I'm gonna show you my channel. It will take you to this main page here where it will show you your banner. All these things will be empty. This whole page will be empty for you. It's because now my page is all set up and stuff. But your one, in your case, it's gonna be empty. Everything will be empty. Then you need to customize it. Now that's another video on its own to show you how to customize, or how to optimize and keep your channel, your YouTube channel proper. So make sure that you subscribe, and if you want to see more of my other videos, just keep in touch. And then I've got more videos on how to promote your YouTube channel, how to promote your videos, and how to go about creating a YouTube channel and crushing it, make money online and crush it. So now we're gonna end this, but before I end it, make sure that you like this video. If you don't like it, just subscribe, but just subscribe. Put a comment there, ask questions. I'm ready to answer those questions. So now I'll see you again. Keep well and ciao. See you once again, and make sure that you stay tight. This is winter quarantine. I don't know what week is this, almost week 8 or week 9 or something like that. But stay chilled, stay focused, don't complain, just stay indoors. Make sure that you stay from this, you stay safe from this coronavirus, and make sure that you prevent it from spreading and prevent it from contaminating you. So see you later. Bye bye.